Hi! In this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass PornHub's age verification. As you may have noticed, several adult sites now require age verification in the UK and a few other countries. While restricting adult content to adults might seem like the right thing to do, not everyone is comfortable sharing sensitive information with some random unverified company. But don't worry, it's entirely possible to access this site and many others from the UK or anywhere else in the world without going through the age verification process. Before I show you how, I'd really appreciate if you liked this video, subscribed to the channel, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this kind of content. It means a lot and helps me create even more useful videos. So, how do you unblock PornHub in the UK? The answer comes down to one word: NordVPN. NordVPN is an app you can install on your computer, smartphone, tablet, or smart TV, and it allows you to change your IP address. Once NordVPN is activated, your real IP address is hidden and replaced with the IP address of the VPN server you connected to. Your internet service provider won't be able to see what sites you visit, and those sites will think you're in the country where the VPN server is located. Let me show you quickly how it works. I'll show on my computer because it's easier to see, but it's exactly the same process on iOS and Android. Let's say I want to access PornHub, which now requires age verification in the UK. As you can see, when I try to visit the site, I get this message. Now I choose a server location in my VPN. Let's go with Switzerland, for example. I click here, it's connecting, it only takes a few seconds, and there we go. I'm now connected to the internet virtually from Switzerland. My IP address has been replaced by the VPN server's IP address in Switzerland. If I check my IP on this page, you can see I now have a Swiss IP address. So, I've successfully changed my IP address in just a few clicks. Now, all I have to do is refresh the page and I can access the site without any restrictions. As you've seen, to access PornHub and other adult sites without age verification, you need NordVPN. To try it out, visit vpnfolio.com/nord or click the link below this video. NordVPN is one of the best VPNs on the market right now. It works very well for unblocking restricted content. NordVPN has over 7,900 servers in 126 countries. It's a secure, reliable and fast VPN available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android and more. You can use it on up to 10 devices at once. No speed limits, no bandwidth caps, strict no-logs policy. Very effective for bypassing all kinds of blocks. NordVPN is not free, it's a premium VPN, but it costs less than £3 per month. With this link, you'll get 72% off. To recap, the idea is to use NordVPN to hide your real IP address and replace it with the VPN server's IP. That way, your internet provider can't see what sites you're visiting, and those sites will think you're in another country. All you have to do is select Switzerland or any other country where age verification isn't required from the list or map and connect. That's it. It's really that simple. NordVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out risk-free. You can sign up, use the service for several weeks without any restrictions, and request a refund if it's not for you. To get your money back, just contact their customer support and ask for a refund. That's it. Just make sure to do it within 30 days. After that, it's too late. That said, I recommend keeping your subscription because NordVPN offers many other benefits. Browse and download privately, boost your connection security, avoid bandwidth throttling, access more content, save money, and much more. Forget about free VPNs. Free VPNs can be dangerous. They often make money by selling your personal data to third parties. They are also slow, unreliable, and don't offer unlimited bandwidth. In short, best to avoid them. That's why I recommend using NordVPN, by far the easiest and most effective way to access blocked sites in the UK. And remember, with this link, you'll get 72% off and you're covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there is absolutely no risk. If NordVPN doesn't work for you, I recommend trying CyberGhost VPN, which is also excellent for unblocking websites. CyberGhost is also a safe, reliable and fast VPN, available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android. They have over 11,000 servers in 100 countries. To try it out, visit vpnfolio.com/cyber or click the link below this video. With this link, you'll get 82% off and 2 months free. CyberGhost even offers a 45-day money-back guarantee, which is more generous than most other VPN services. That's all for today. Now you know how to unblock PornHub and other adult sites in the UK or any other country where age verification is required. As you've seen, it's super easy. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks and see you next time.